Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 GMC Acadia SLT. This one is red. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 with 281 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 19-inch alloy wheels, black leather interior, ambient lighting, sunroof, rear climate controls, captain's chairs, third row seating, Acadia all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, pull down third row seating, clean set of floor mats, SLT badging on the side, Bose sound system, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, USB ports, automatic transmission. This Acadia has 74,560 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GMC Acadia, visit us at feldmanimports.com.